Pink Bank Review 2024 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how traditional banking is evolving in 2024. Pink Bank offers a wide range of accounts, digital tools and financial services. But is it the right choice for you? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming large banks are impersonal. Pink offers over 20 branches and 90 ATMs nationwide, plus robust online and mobile banking options, allowing customers to manage their finances wherever they are. One major advantage is financial variety. You won't believe what happens next when you see Pink provides checking, savings, money market and retirement accounts along with mortgages, credit cards and investment services. Their virtual wallet combines budgeting, spending and savings tools in one app for comprehensive money management. Pink also focuses on rewards and perks. Select accounts offer interest bonuses, fee waivers and tailored financial advice, making it easier to save and grow wealth over time. However, there are cons. Some accounts require minimum balances or monthly fees to access premium features. Interest rates on savings may be lower than online-only banks, and customer service can vary depending on branch location and support channels. In conclusion, Pink Bank in 2024 is ideal for those seeking a full-service bank with physical branches, versatile accounts, and digital banking tools. While fees and interest rates are factors to consider, the combination of accessibility, account variety, and financial management tools makes Pink a solid option for both everyday banking and long-term financial planning.